imagine guys, even taga-hugas or taga-linis, walang tumatanggap sa akin guys. Aloha from Switzerland. For today's video guys, I'm just walking around Spitz, Switzerland because I have day off. So I'm going to show you around kung ano ba yung ano, ano ba yung mukha ng ano ba yung Spitz. So, ito yun guys, yung Spitz guys. Actually, yung Spitz is known siya na may castle dito guys. At ito yung place kung saan may yate-yate something. So, ito yung castle nila guys. At ito yung mga malalaking mga yate nila guys. Mga speedboat nila. Mayayaman sila dito, dine. Ganon. Ito yung area ng mga mayayaman sa vitamina at mineral. So yun guys, as of now, naglilinis si kuya ng sasakyan niya. Oh my god, nabasa yung camera ko guys. So ito yung Spitz guys, ang ganda ni, ang gwapo ni kuya. So diba guys, ang ganda. Si kuya nililinisan yung ano niya, speedboat or the pump boat niya. So, punta tayo dito. Ganda naman dito, guys. So, ito yung castle ng Spitz. I don't know what's the historical background. Guys, ang ganda dito, guys. Oh, look, oh. So, isn't it amazing? Amazing. Isn't it? Napakaganda ng Spitz talaga, guys. You need to visit Spitz because grabe ang relaxing talaga ng ambience dito. May lake, may castle. Ito yung playground nila. Actually, may golf course dito but I don't know where. Hindi ko siya kayang libutin kasi ang laki ng Spitz, guys. Oh my God. Gusto ko siyang libutin but actually hindi ko talaga siya kayang libutin guys. And to tell you honestly, to tell you the truth, but actually living here in Switzerland is something like napakaganda ng Switzerland guys, pero kung sabaga na used to ka na dito, magsasawa ka rin dito guys, ganoon. Pahinga muna tayo dito guys. So, I like Switzerland because on time mga tao dito, direct yung mga tao dito. Tapos, for example, yung train, you will not wait a long time here because they are very on time. So, logical naman because they are the one who make the clock. Diba? Dito talaga yung, sila talaga yung nag-imbento ng orasan guys, so relo. As of today, it's already autumn here in Switzerland, and then I'm so lucky today because my son pa, though my son pa siya, it's still cold here. It's already cold here, not still cold. It's already cold here in Switzerland. So next month, probably December, snow na siya. I don't know. So, I'm enjoying the sun here. I love the sun because for 3 months, for 3 months, wala na siya. Ay, bawal pala dito dahil. Bakit andito ako sa Andito ako sa mga grass. Bawal dito sa... Dapat if you're here in Switzerland, dapat you're following the rules talaga and regulation here. So, as of today, guys, I have 2 days off. And then, yesterday, 3 days ako nagtatabaho. And then, today, 2 days off. And then, Monday, trabaho na naman. So ganito talaga yung scenario dito. Ganito talaga yung reality dito sa Switzerland. So sometimes you need to do break because alangan naman patayin mo yung sarili mo to work. Hindi yan pwedeng sakit, guys. Ganon. Yes, guys, ang ganda dito sa Switzerland. Actually, 100% or 1000% ang ganda dito sa Switzerland. But sometimes, if you're away from your family here, maboboard ka rin talaga dito. So as of now, actually for my first year here in Switzerland, gala ako ng gala dito, guys. Facebook, Instagram, and then after umabot yung time na grabe, sobra na-depress ako dito. And then I decided myself na maghahanap ako ng trabaho. Pero alam nyo, guys, hindi ka automatic makahanap ng trabaho dito kasi yung language barrier nila. So what I did is wala akong choice kundi mag-aral ng language nila from the start talaga, like grade 1 to until B2. So A1 to B2 until napasa ko yung B1. So if you're here, you're planning to go here, you're planning to stay here or relocate here, dapat mapasa nyo talaga yung B1 or else wala kayong ticket na makatrabaho dito or maka-communicate dito sa mga tao. Hindi siya madali yung German language, yes, but sabi pa nila, kung may gusto, may paraan, pag ayaw, may dahilan, ganon. So, yung at first talaga dito, ang hirap talaga dito, guys. Totally honestly, akala talaga ng iba dyan na apakaganda dito sa Switzerland. So, you're living like a Disney princess here, but the reality is not ganito. Ako dito kasi andito yung partner ko, and then nandito yung trabaho niya. So, andito din ako. And then I arrived here 2019. And then that time is pa-COVID yun. So pa-COVID yun that time. And then 1 to 3 months, enjoy lang ako dito. Tapos pa-picture-picture, enjoy the views here in Switzerland. Yung mga lakes dito, yung mga mountains dito. At that time, summer pa siya dito. So hindi ko pa napifeel yung cold, yung lamig dito sa Switzerland. So until such time na dumating yung time na bored na talaga ako dito kasi hindi naman all the time na gala ka lang ng gala dito. So you need to do something naman dito. So I decided to enroll and study their language here because na-realize ko kasi guys, if you want to stay and live here in Switzerland, you need to know their basic language. So, nag-aaral ako ng A1 to B1. And then, napasa ko yung B1, nag-open yung mga opportunity ko dito. So, yung work ko, may work na ako dito. Actually, hindi talaga siya easy yung paghanap ng trabaho dito, especially to those foreigner na baguhan pa lang dito. First, can you imagine, guys, even taga-hugas or taga-linis, walang tumatanggap sa akin, guys. Kasi it's logical naman, 'di ba? If they're going to hire me and then hindi ako marunong salita ng language nila, so it's very unfair naman na i-hire nila ako pag hindi ako marunong mag-German. So nag-apply talaga ako. I try my best to apply in restaurant, even in McDonald's here. Actually, natanggap ako sa McDonald's, but ayaw ng partner ko nasa McDonald's. Ako magtatrabaho. Then, as in, pumunta talaga kami sa mga restaurant na malapit sa amin. And then, trying to apply if they will accept me or not. As in, yung reality dito talaga, guys. Yung pagsabihan ka talaga sa harap-harapan. Kasi direct sila dito. Hindi sila, wala silang sugar coat dito. Direct to the point talaga sila dito. Pag aya talaga nila, tanggapin ka, sasabihin ka talaga nila, direct to the point. Noon na-realize ko talaga na dapat talaga mag-aaral ako ng language nila, or else no language, no work. Ganon talaga ang senaryo dito, guys. As in, the long story short, so I already passed. I studied their language, and then I already passed at least B1. So yun, there's already an opportunity for me to work here. Though hindi siya I already work in, may tumanggap na sa akin, guys. My first work talaga is in the restaurant. So tagahugas ka, tagahugas ka ng pinggan, taga-mop ka, all around talaga, guys. Sometimes mag housekeeping pa ako dito. Tinanggap ko siya, guys, kasi wala akong choice dito. Until such time, sabi ng amo ko, if marunong ba ako mag-English. So, ang advantage dito, pag marunong ka mag-English, they will hire you as a front desk. And then, kasi yung mga tao dito, hindi sila nag-i-English, guys. Though, marunong naman sila mag-English dito. Fluent naman sila mag-English dito. But the reality is, they will not use the English language pang matagalan ba. So I'm so happy that time kasi may trabaho na ako, guys, sa front desk. And sometimes, pero all around din ako. Because if we have visitors from UK, yung mga English speaking country, ako yung front desk. Pero pag wala talaga, all around ako, guys, mag-housekeeping, taga-hugas, taga-mop. But it's marangal na trabaho naman yan, guys. I'm so proud of it. And then the corona come, and then nakita ng amo ko na parang Chinese ako. So akala nila I'm from China. And then that time, 'di ba, yung corona is from China. So, kinik out nila ako, guys. Ganon. Ang sakit, guys, kasi yung first trabaho ko, kinik out ako kasi because of COVID. Actually, I understand the reason why they kick out me, why they pull me out. But that time, they kick out me, guys. So, after 2 weeks, nagsara talaga na yung mga restaurant, hotel dito. May trabaho dito is yung mostly is hospital, home for the aged, home care, something like. So, yun lang yung mga possibilities na pwede ka magtrabaho dito. And then, I decided to apply for a hospital work here, which is hindi naman ako natanggap kasi wala naman akong background as nursing here. Ganon. Guys, ang ganda dito, guys. Look at, I'm gonna show you. Oh. Diba? So, welcome to Spitz, guys. Ito yung palace nila. Then, ito yung place nila. Napakaganda. Napaka-peaceful talaga ng Spitz, guys. So, you need to visit here to check out. Yun na, wala na akong trabaho. Tapos, nag-COVID pa. So, sabi ng partner ko, you need to do something para hindi ako maboard kasi if nasa bahay lang ako, wala akong gagawin, baka maluloka ako. Tapos ang sakim pa guys, hindi pa ako makauwi ng Philippines kasi yung mga airport is sirado talaga guys. So no choice ako, umiyak ako. So I need to do something para ma-divert yung yung mind ko. So nagba-vlog ako noon guys. Then para lang to divert myself. So until now nagba-vlog pa ako. So that time then tinapos ko yung language ko para matapos na siya. Though online lang siya kasi wala siyang face to face that time. So ganon. And to make the long story short, natapos ko yung nila B2 level nila yung language nila dito. So may na ako dito guys, may bala na ako dito sa Switzerland. So natapos na ako ng B1 tapos B2. Yung B2 is professional level na yun guys. So that time I decided to do Ausbildung. Yung Ausbildung dito yung study nila dito sa Switzerland is libre lang. So why not grab the opportunity guys, diba? So as of now, I'm here in Spitz, enjoying the sun, enjoying the view. 6 years na ako dito sa Switzerland, but I'm still hindi ko pa siya kabisado yung language nila, but iintindihan ko na sila. So yun naman yung important, 'di ba? So nagsa-study ako as nursing here, and then next June patapos na ako. I hope and I pray. Iba yung study nila dito. Iba yung education system nila dito. May tawag silang Ausbildung guys, in which 50% yung magtatrabaho ka, 50% na mag-aaral ka. So at the same time, nag-aaral ka na, nagtatrabaho ka na. So meaning may sahod ka na guys. Ganon. Iba dito guys.